I was just too drained last night. Like, you know how you just feel so mentally drained? Actually, I have this one. You know how you just feel so mentally drained that you really can't do anything else? And I'm trying to be a bit more gentle with myself. It's not working. It's not working, but I need to work harder at it. Because I just put so much pressure on myself. Like, I want to do more. This is my personal year 1. Now, if you're into numerology, you already know what it is. 1 is new beginnings. Like, it's going to set the tone for the next 9 years. So I put a lot of pressure just to get my business going how I want it to get going. And it's just doing sense to my brain, on top of feeling super isolated during the winter time in NYC. Is just feel like you can't do much, you know, besides the restaurants and bars. It is activities, but you know, I have a toddler, so I really don't get breaks like that. And my mind is not getting a break, but that's gonna change though. So we definitely have a couple of things to do. We gotta go, we gotta donate clothes, we gotta go to Trader Joe's, Whole Foods. We have to go to Target just because Target is a much needed trip. Yeah. Oh no! What happened? Catch the train, catch the train, catch it, catch it. Hold the door, hold the door, hold the door. Empty trains are the best. I know this is not $22. Oh, that's outrageous. So, mini Target actually got the 2 things I really need. Another blender and an air fryer. Shout out to mini Target.
Loving how you wind up for me. Tonight is all on me. Mash up the place for me. Yeah, yeah. She just wanna highlight. Ooh, that body talk to me. I need a taste, baby. Loving the way you move around me. No more delay. No, you can't wait to shut it down. Want to show me how you work it? I can't find no flaws, you perfect. Cause every time that you come around my way, I keep falling again. I keep falling again, yeah. And every time that you come across my mind, I keep falling again. I keep falling again in love, yeah. The way that you move, wanna connect with you like Bluetooth. No touching, that's my boo.
You ever go to a store and you be like, yo, it's not gonna be that crowded. It's a Tuesday afternoon. A lot of people ain't gonna be in there. Super crowded. Was missing mad food. Now we gotta go to Whole Foods, which is across the street from the mini Target. Hopefully grab the last bit of whatever so we can head back to uptown.
Hey, so yeah, Maddie, just walk with us.
Quick stop and
talk with us. See, we be painting pictures and we be writing scriptures. Right. You know. Yeah, we was in the heights. OG tried to sell me Cardigas. With my crown, we some kings like a card in solitaire. Sticking to the script, that's what got us here. If you in the way, we stepping down like a barber chair. We was all downstairs, Molly vibes till the smoke was clear. Nephew came in, told him, boy, yo, go upstairs. This is for the kids, yeah, cover ears. Had to put in order all of my fears. Now when I step out, I'll be well prepared.
Yo, pop out anywhere, yeah, we was never scared, yeah. We was everywhere, yeah, but you was never there. People love to compare, but we just never.
Okay, it's later in the day. It's like 8 o'clock now. This is crazy. This needs to get fixed, and I think I'll do a reel on me fixing this, but I've been letting this sit like this for a minute, and it's giving ghetto, but it will be fixed. But anyways, yes, I finally got some time to myself, which is kind of rare. So I'm just gonna mop, sit down, and work on this ebook. I don't know if I explained that I'm doing an ebook on how to make a crochet pattern, and that's gonna be the first of many. And then I'm gonna maybe send out a freebie to everybody that signed up to my newsletter. But let's get to it. Oh guys, I'm just watching a little YouTube. I don't get a chance to watch as much as I would like, just to catch up on a couple of things, learn a couple of things. And I'm just really excited for this year. I really want to do a vision board and do a vision board video, but I try to wait till February-ish to do a vision board, because if I do a vision board December 2021, I put so much pressure on myself that I literally feel nauseous. And it's something I really got to get over. I know it stemmed from childhood, and you know, childhood trauma creeps up on you when you get older. And I know there's a lot of things I have to get over when it comes to just being so hard and hustle culture and stuff, because that's literally all I've seen growing up and all I know. And I'm really trying to breathe. I'm really trying to breathe and get it together. So I am working on the ebook. Let me show y'all. Okay, so this is like the cover, but I'm gonna change it most likely. And okay, my keypad not working. Oh, it's charging, my bad. But right now it's just all about getting the information in the ebook, and I could pretty it up however, but I just want to make sure it's just so detailed, just like how I do a tutorial. Very detailed, very like you get what I'm saying, because I really want to help people. Just because I know when I first started out, I remember asking other designers, like, how do you make a crochet pattern? And literally the answers I was just go for it. What I'm gonna do with that though? What I'm gonna do with that? Like, how is that supposed to help anybody? And that's really whack, because if somebody need help with something, and y'all know me, I try to reply to comments, DMs on Instagram. If y'all got a question, as much as I can. Y'all know I have a baby, so I can't do as much as before, but I really try. If someone have a question, I try to always answer, because I want everybody to win. I want everybody to get their coin. I want everybody to make amazing pieces and stuff like that. And I have to remind myself, everybody not like that, you know? And I just want to help as many people that probably been reaching out to people and they just saying, well, go for it. You can do it. I don't like that stuff. I don't like that. So I really do have a goal to help people in this niche make money and do it full time if they can. I know it's going to be a process, but I really believe in it. I believe in myself, and I believe in everybody that watches this channel. So yeah. Oh, this book, I didn't even see it on screen. 500 crochet stitches. I really like going through it just to get inspo and things like that for cool stuff you don't see everywhere. I got this like a year or two ago. It's super cool. Let me know if y'all want me to do a video on like crochet things that I use. I don't use much. I literally use the same hooks that I've been using since I started, which been almost 3 years. So I like to keep it simple over here. And I think I'm gonna wrap it up here with love always, you know. Follow your girl at LaDria LaVae on Instagram. Sign up to my newsletter, signup.ladrialavae.com. Follow me on whatever platforms. And I'll catch you in the next video. Catch you in my next video. Yeah. Bye.